Hello friends, in this video tutorial I want to share with you the idea of how to make a candy from a bobo balloon. Now I pre-inflate and align the bobo balloon. I don't stretch the balloon beforehand, I immediately start inflating it. Start inflating the bobo balloon with an air generator, and as soon as you notice that the balloon has deformed, stop inflating and quickly twist the neck of the bobo balloon so that the air does not escape. Look, one half of the balloon is bigger than the other. Place the bobo balloon under your arm. The larger side should be at the back and the smaller one in front. Press down on the larger half of the bobo balloon. The air will begin to move into the smaller half and stretch the walls of the bobo balloon. Look, the balloon has taken the form of a capsule. The seam is not even, but the amount of air in both halves has become the same. This is what we need. Next, I will continue to inflate the bobo balloon using an air generator. Pay attention to the seam. You will see that the seam will be perfectly smooth, and the balloon will be symmetrical. Without tying the balloon, I fix it on the base. I do this in order to determine the middle of the upper part of the balloon. I make a mark with a marker on the top of the balloon exactly in the center. Now I deflate the balloon, make a knot out of a modeling balloon and throw it inside the bobo balloon. In the place where I marked with a marker, I grab the knot and tie it with a balloon for modeling. I showed you one of the ways to make a garter for a bobo balloon. Now I'm going to add some. Air in the bobo balloon is for convenience, and fill it with 5-inch balloons. I'll add some golden confetti for brightness. Instead of a funnel, I have been using a cut-off part of a water bottle for a long time. Because of the wide neck, it is very convenient for me to use this particular device. Now I'm inflating Bobo's balloon. Please note that you do not need to inflate balloons larger than its factory size. After I inflated the balloon, I twist several times, stretched the tail and made to knots. Now I'll show you the fasteners. It's simple and complex. Watch the video to the end. Decide for yourself which one to use. Of course, the simpler, the faster. Well, I decided to show you two ways because they can be used in the manufacture of various types of decor. I have prepared 6 balloons for modeling in 3 different colors, size 160. Now, from a black balloon for modeling size 160, I will make a dense flower. Each petal will be the size of 4 fingers. Before making a flower, I knead the balloon a little to reduce the pressure and tension in it. I repeat, here is a flower I need to make. It will be a fastening element. These elements in the form of flowers will be attached to both sides of the bobo balloon. Now I'll show you how I attach balloons for modeling to a flower. In the video, I showed in great detail how I attach balloons for modeling. Please note that the same colors I attach in opposite sides. Look, The modeling balloons and the flower lie in one plane. Similarly, I'm attaching all the other balloons for modeling. And I also attach the last two balloons on the opposite side. I got something like a propeller, and I'm attaching this propeller to a bobo balloon. This method of fastening is necessary in some cases in the manufacture of various decorations. I showed it to you in order to replenish your piggy bank of knowledge. And now the easiest way is to simply attach a flower to the tail of a bobo balloon. Now I measure the required length of the balloon for modeling, cutting off the excess part, tie a knot and tie the balls together, and then fix them under the flower. So, Bobo's balloon is beautifully decorated. Let's continue. I took a sheet of pink floral film measuring 50 by 70 centimeters and cut it in half. I glue each of the parts together with double-sided adhesive tape. Here is such a durable, beautiful, rustling tube. I succeeded. Now I'm passing a piece of a modeling balloon through a tube and tying it. I did the same with the second piece of floral film, and visually I got two pieces of a bow. Now I'm tying the floral film to the black flower-shaped fasteners. The candy is ready to look very tasty. Thank you for watching us.